In the ceaseless rush of our lives, we often miss the profound power hidden within the present moment. The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle offers a compelling invitation to rediscover the transformative potential of the now. Eckhart Tolle challenges our conventional understanding of time, inviting us to consider the now as the only true reality. Unraveling the illusion of past and future, we're guided to find peace and fulfillment in the present moment, free from the burdens of history and the anxieties of tomorrow. Our minds, often tumultuous arenas of thoughts, worries, and relentless chatter, can find stillness in the now. Through Tolle's teachings, we learn the art of mastering our inner dialogue, finding a sanctuary of peace within the present moment, where true clarity and peace reside. The Power of Now invites us on a profound journey of self-discovery, urging us to peel away the layers of ego and societal expectations. Awakening to our true self, a luminous being of pure consciousness, untethered by narratives of the past or projections of the future, brings us closer to our essence, where peace and joy are inherent. Eckhart Tolle illuminates the nature of suffering as a creation of the mind, bound to the illusions of time and ego. Delving into the pain body, an accumulation of past traumas and emotional pain, we learn that recognizing and observing it in the light of the now empowers us to dissolve its grip, leading to liberation and healing. Tolle presents the present moment as a powerful portal to a new dimension of existence. Ordinary moments, when fully embraced, become doorways to the profound depths of the now. Through mindfulness practices like conscious breathing and attentive listening, even the most mundane tasks transform into opportunities for awakening, bringing a sense of sacredness to every aspect of our lives. Embracing the now transforms not just moments, but our entire lives. Tolle's wisdom teaches us that within the present lies the key to transcending pain, awakening to our true selves, and discovering a peace that is not dependent on external circumstances. Let's carry this light into every moment, making the conscious choice to live fully, one now at a time. The power to change your life and touch the lives around you is in your hands here and now. The Power of Now is not merely a book, it's a blueprint for a new way of living. Embracing Eckhart Tolle's teachings, we contribute to a collective awakening, fostering a world where presence, peace, and compassion are foundational. This new earth emerges not from the ashes of the old, but from vibrant, conscious engagement with the present moment, moment by moment.